Alright, let's continue this thing. So here we got this problem with google.ca.california with funny PHP. It returns dot something. Alright, so here we know that before and after we have the separator, so we can copy that, place it over here, and hope that shall solve it. Yeah, it doesn't, because oh, yeah, better just to put it there. Expected this got nothing. Expected this got what's the difference between these two? Expected this and got that instead. Active. Okay. All right. Oh, this is the expected string, and this is the string that we had. Alright, it's pretty much the same. Thank God for Notepad. Secret page.html. .html, you should not be here. Why are you here? .html, and again .htm. Why? Let's just print it out here. All of them. Let's print all of the elements modified. None. Alright, so I guess this doesn't do anything. What if I wouldn't put upper over here, huh? What now? So... Oh my god, it's lowercase and it still contains this thing. Bruh. And some of these things are not mutually exclusive. Alright. That's still there. .asp, that's gone. But funny.htm is still there. I guess at this point this code is so confusing that that is the reason we cannot make sense of it. So, well, let us do it from the beginning. And what we can do is, if there is a dot, that we stop right there. So we can stop also at here, at this dot. .html. So we should be safe from the lame file extensions. All right. So we got that file path over there. And what do we do is say if file path so I guess that thing can still be empty, right? If just return that, and just return that. And so if file path, then we shall say file path as list. We say file path dot group 1 let's split this thing. So now we got file path as list. We could do it for every element handler. We could do that. So here we say for index element in enumerate file path as list, and we do if index plus 1 equals length of file path as list. So if this is the last one, or if file path as list element at, so not this element but next one equals to index, then what do? We say do it for element we put in element, and of course we need to handle the element. So we say element equal handler element dot split if still that in element, we do element equals element dot upper and replace this with that. This one we do not need to check for. And this one we also do not need to check for. That is the last one. Elif element equals to index. We just say pass, else we do that. Copy, paste, path to here, path file path as list, path to here. Alright, this can be then all deleted. This is more cleaner, as you can see. And the return string should start with what? Just href home. We got that. And if we have non-last element, that we do separator dot something yeah, but we have a problem over here, because if we do a separator over here, because that would be proper, and this would not really be needed, man. We just can cancel that. Actually, yeah, this thing just confused me before. That shall maybe be a problem. Let's test it out against the basic tests. Element handler is not defined. What about now? It is. Alright, let's decode this. It's better to decode this than that. Okay. Oh. Maybe we would just need a smart else statement right over here. Say element equals element.upper, because it goes through element handler, right? Oh, it doesn't. Okay. All right. Much more logical. So this is the expected one. Instead got this one. Paste. Wow. Index. Okay. It's all right up until here, where it shouldn't append index. And I really don't understand how it got through. If we print out element, now remember this is the basically only failed test index, and I thought if element is index, oh, it's the last one. So the order of these two is kind of messed up. This should be first, this should be second. Oh, non-type object has elif file path equals none. Return or that should solve it. Alright, and now we got yeah, all of the same problems. This one is like basically empty ones. What if we don't have any of them? And we returned href, but we should return span. So I mean here, look, like yeah, and random test failed. So we return return if file path. Oh damn, this thing doesn't even run. If file path dot group 1 is not this slash, someone is calling me. Just a moment. Alright, so we got this error. Non-type object has no attribute group, which means that this thing over here doesn't really help us. If file group 1 yeah, we have to like first check if it is none. If file path none, return that. If file path group 1 is shit, return that. If file path group 1 is not do this and do that. Alright, so this should help something. I don't know, so much has happened since I've last run this test that I kind of forgot the purpose other than just modifying that. Alright, so now we have we got href instead of span with index, and then this empty one. Alright, so let's prepare the indexed one. So for example, we've got this thing, so we could just say to copy and paste. If that is just index, we want to return what does the algorithm want? It wants class active home. Alright, so nothing special actually, don't even need to change it. So we make an attempt. Alright, only this thing fails now. And maybe even random tests fail. No, all random tests are green except this one. Alright, now first, is there a way to make this thing better? Because basically for all of that the thing is the same. So here we say if file path none or file path group 1 equals that. Copy, paste, so we can now delete this thing, or this thing happens, you know, do not repeat yourself stuff. Alright, I hope I didn't break anything. No, I did not. Alright, so this here happens something. Just a moment. We have to just solve this problem now. Yeah, pauses left and right. So here we expected just span, but instead we get empty one. Alright. I guess it doesn't fall anywhere here. So let's just say if URL equals to this is quite funny. This one used in the movie. Just copy this, paste it here, print the match. File path dot group 0. I want to see the whole match. K, just K. Why did you match K? If we group 1, it matches nothing. I guess we should add another OR that is just checking for empty ones. Copy, paste, just empty ones, right? Everything passed. Well, here is our code. We completely, we kind of rewritten it once. So that's it, Giacomo. I'm counting on you for this LinkedIn thing. Thank you very much. And to whoever is watching, have a nice one. And bye bye. Oh, what? Oh, we need to make another attempt. Well, alright, I have said goodbye, but let's check out the good solutions again. Okay, wow, here's just like pumping it through. Here, wow, what? Giacomo Sorbit himself. With sub and search, yeah, alright. Use sub search. Alright, this is short without even a regular expressions module. Wow, interesting. This is a long one. Wow, some people really struggled with this. Wow. Well, that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.